Okay, so I have a 13-year-old and a 15-year-old who both play AAU basketball, and they're broke as shit. Okay, they always got their hand out asking for uh, clothing, a uniform, some type of something. Okay, and so I came up with 500 illegal ways and ideas for them to hustle up some money. All right. One of those main ways is being a content creator. And today we're going to go over those about 50, 60 of those ideas that you too could use for your teen athlete, or someone who could use it. All right, let's get into it. First is a day in the life of an AAU hooper. Just, maybe waking up, going to a game, going to practice, just showing, the things that you have to go through as a teen hooper. Second is what's in your basketball bag. Show what's in your basketball bag, your shoes, your clothes, your headphones, whatever it is, show it off. Okay. One on one against my brother. So it'd be them two playing one on one. And of course, mom would be the referee. Number four, show some tricks, challenges against your brother. Let your viewers or your friends vote who's the best. Number five, spending a day using only your left hand. All right, that's a challenge for anybody, but it's definitely a fun challenge for a team, especially playing basketball if you're not left-handed. Number six is recreating famous NBA plays. All right. Number seven, training for 7 days like Steph Curry. Number eight, hoop court takeover vlog showing local gyms, which in our city we don't have that many, but they could just, showcase the ones that they do go to, the ones that they practice at, even the ones out of town. What AAU basketball really is like, do a little documentary or a vlog, interview your teammates, let's see what else we got here. 24-hour basketball marathon, hoop trivia challenge, reselling the basketball gear, selling refreshments and drinks at basketball games, reviewing famous AAU mixtapes, the top 10 funniest basketball moments, 5 things every hooper needs, cooking athlete meals, teen hooper morning routine, travel vlogs with travel game vlogs, family basketball night, reacting to old family photos, reacting to old NBA player photos, advice to younger hoopers. You could have like a hood tournament, a hood challenge, get your friends together and make it a big deal. Start a podcast, a Hooper Teen podcast, review best gear, best sneakers, best playlist, best Hooper playlist. I don't know, do a live stream at a game, basketball pranks, and partner with your teammates and your friends and make it make sense. Train little kids, younger kids, build a training course, sell basketball playlists. I don't know, just have some fun. Let your mom coach you for a day. Let your friends be audiences, or let your friends decide what you're going to do for a day. Build an audience, engage with your audience, build clientele, find ways to get money, make money, be successful.